All right, folks, gather round. Today we're diving into one of the oldest debates in the history of adulting. Should you rent or buy a house? And who better to help us than the three little pigs? Yup, those adorable house-building swine have some wisdom to share. So, let's get straight to it. First up, we've got piggy number 1. This little guy decided to rent his house made of straw. Renting can be super flexible. Need to move for a job? No problem. Got annoying neighbors? Easy to escape. But let's talk numbers. On average, renting in the US costs around $1,700 per month. That's about $20,400 a year. While you save on maintenance and property taxes, that rent money goes straight into the landlord's pocket. And when the big bad wolf, aka inflation, comes knocking, rent prices can soar. Now, let's move on to piggy number 2. This clever swine decided to buy a house made of sticks. Buying a home can be a solid investment. You're building equity, which means your money is working for you. On average, a 30-year mortgage costs about $1,500 per month, which is $18,000 a year. Cheaper than renting, right? But don't forget the down payment, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. That can add up. However, when the big bad wolf comes, your house can withstand those huffs and puffs a little better. Finally, let's talk about piggy number 3. This pig built his house out of bricks. He's the smart investor. He knows that the housing market can be unpredictable, but he's playing the long game. The average home value in the US appreciates about 3 to 5% per year. That means your $300,000 home could be worth $450,000 in 15 years. Plus, if you pay off your mortgage, you'll own your home outright. No rent, no mortgage payments, just sweet, sweet equity. When the big bad wolf comes, this house isn't going anywhere. So, what's the moral of our piggy tale? Renting is great for flexibility and avoiding maintenance hassles, but you're not building equity. Buying can be a wise investment, but it comes with upfront costs and responsibilities. And remember, whether you're renting straw, buying sticks, or investing in bricks, make sure your decision fits your lifestyle and financial goals. And there you have it, folks. Renting versus buying, explained by the three little pigs. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube Let's Talk Money channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time.